So we are here. Being home feels nice. We made it in one day. Got here last night about 10:30. So it was good to do the trip in one shot. We are gonna work on getting the U-Haul emptied today, and then we have to try to organize the other storage shed. If you remember, it was crazy messy. So that's our plan for today. Welcome to American Roots. We're here at the Walmart getting water so we can make coffee on our land. You know, I've got to think about the things. Water is the first resource. But look at this. Here's our coming into town for the second time rig. We brought our chicken coop. Yeah. I'm ready for birds. I don't know who's going to take care of them until we get here, but we're ready for them when we are. We're headed to breakfast. We just had a really good first morning back on the property. Our neighbors stopped over to go check his trail cams, and our friends were there, Jeff and Louise. Now we're going to breakfast.
Yeah, we'll run them out. Recording. Heading back to the property. Jessica's following me. Yeah, good job. Jessica's driving the U-Haul. We'll just cut back this way. Alright. Yep, you went around that one. That's good. Keep going back. Don't worry about this. Just keep going. Fine. Except for that big bush. It's alright. Killed it. Killed it. We'll just go straight up here. And you can stop in this clearing right here. Right here is good.
Well, we made it out to the property. It's a beautiful morning out here. We are unloading the U-Haul into the shipping container. And this is gonna be the second round. Here we go. We are weed eating, doing the first yard work, trying to get this cleared out so we can get it emptied. Pretty awesome to get this process started. We are gonna go take the U-Haul over to our other container and see if we can get some more stuff loaded in this and bring it back over to the property. Act 1, Scene 3. Here we go.